Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see Ollama with Llava and play with some chat and image to text stuff. So let's dive into the code. Let me show you my screen. Cool. So we will use the chat completion from Spring AI, and we will use Ollama. As you can see, Ollama is installed on my machine, and I will I have some models in my machine, but I have Llava 34B installed on my machine, and we are going to play with that through Spring AI. And so there is no cost with an API key or whatever, but you need a computer with a bit of RAM to be able to execute Llava on your machine. But it's cool. So let's dive into the code by generating our application through the Spring initializer. So as you can see, I have already filled some stuff. We're going to use Java, Maven, the 3.4.1 version, group, where to some image to text will be a jar with Java 23. And we will use the web stack and the Ollama AI stack. So cool, generate, let's do that here. Okay, so let's go image to text. Let's open it in IDE. Cool. And let's add the image in it. So I'm going to copy paste it. So we'll do some text recognition. I'm going to show it to you. So I did that from the meetup I co-organized. And so we will try to recognize Hello Generative AI meetup with Llava. So let's do some code. So we will need a router configuration. As you may know, I don't really like REST controllers, so we will just do some routing. I'm gonna copy paste it because it's not really useful for the video. So we just define an endpoint with a new class called endpoint handler. As you well know, I'm not really good with naming, so let's do that. And oops, sorry. And we need to have a button handler. We don't need to, but I usually add that to all my apps. So let's copy paste it. It transforms the error into a problem detail specification. So that's pretty cool. And we just need to add it. So it's already there. No need to do something. So let's the add component annotation. Do that. And we're going to be able to do some coding. First, let's check that we have everything in our file. We have the Ollama Spring Boot starter, so everything seems in order. So let's do some code. So we will have to use the Ollama model, chat model. As you can see, or let's call it chat model. Yeah. Let's generate constructor. Cool. And let's define the same image. So first, let's define a logger. Class function logger factory logger endpoint class. Cool. before. Okay, so let's define. Okay, just so it doesn't any error. So we will send an image with a message, but let's not really focus on the message because I will use the generic one. So let's request param message or else just give me the text on the image. Cool. Let's try to get the file. Request dot multipart data get first image can throw an error, so let's add an exception. Cool. And let's define a resource. Let's define a method to create a resource from part. And let's call the method. Cool. Okay. So the part can give an input stream. So we will create a new input stream source and we'll copy paste that. But the interesting thing is that we can keep some information. We can override the method string get file name. I did typo. Cool. And we can return part get submitted file name. Cool. Oh yeah. Need to change the visibility, so it's complaining. So cool. We create a resource. So we need to get format to tell what format we send. So get image MIME type from content type. Get content type. Cool, let's create that. It's gonna be pretty simple. It's return MIME type value of content type. Cool. So let's define media. As you can see, it's an AI class. So media equals new media. Oops. New media. And it takes MIME type and a resource. That's why I converted format and a resource. Cool. Oops. Resource. What is it complaining? Oh, yeah. Cool. So now it works. And we're going to define our user message, meaning our message to the prompt. So that one could be a system message to tell the system how we should behave in the answering process. But we won't do that today. So let's define a new user message with our message string and our media. Cool. And we're going to define a chat response equal chat model call new prompt with our user message. Cool. And response get result get put get content, and we will log that. Actually, we will also send back. Define variable content, and let's show in the log as well. Content. Okay, everything should be okay. We should define in Spring AI what we want to use. And I'm going to copy paste the Ollama stuff and also some web properties. So we're going to use Spring AI, Ollama. We want to download the model if it's not already installed in Ollama. Ollama is usually available on localhost 11.4.3.4, and we're going to use the chat model and the model Llava 34B. And because it's a big file, I extended the multipart max file to 10 mega in order for it to be uploaded. So let's run our application. Cool. And I'm going to use Postman because I haven't prepared any curl requests. It's launching. 1 moment. Well, it's already available. So I'm going to use image. Actually, it should be there. Yeah, cool. Already, let's select the proper file. Image to text. Open it. It takes some time because it's a really big model on my machine, so that's why it takes a bit of time. So let's see the log in the meantime. As you can see, the same image has been called. We get back our content, so it's pretty cool. And let's verify it does. As you can see, hello, generative AI meetup. Sometimes it's not working, so let's try it again. As you can see, it's always working, so that's cool. As you can see, there's some mistakes, so but that's pretty cool to be able to generate some text from an image. You could also use some image to see how so how the model Llava can describe image and not just do text transcription, but that's cool that it can generate text from an image, and you can extract that text to use in your application. And that's gonna be it for today. So see you in the next video. Bye.